Well, Harvey Weinstein entered Manhattan criminal court again, and this plea of not guilty to both rape and a criminal sex act was very much expected. Ben Brafman, Harvey Weinstein's defense attorney, signaling that this would very much be the case. So this certainly isn't seen as a surprise. But going forward, what we can really expect is we can expect the prosecution to formally hand an indictment to the defence team, also laying out the list of evidence going forward as well. Now, there's also the question of whether we could see the beginnings of some arrangements when it comes to pre-trial proceedings. Now, also the question of bail, of course, already has been set. We understand that Harvey Weinstein handed in his passport. Bail was also set at $1 million. Now, the strong message from Ben Brafman, the defence attorney, believing has previously described this as really seen as a judgment that's come down to political pressure, also describing his client as being not guilty, something that has obviously been reiterated by Harvey Weinstein himself.
And investigators are still interviewing women, so what more can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. Investigators have said that really from the get-go, even after this indictment, this arraignment was confirmed over the last few days, and of course this not guilty plea just today, we've still understand for investigators they still want more people to come forward. Of course, over 80 women have come forward with complaints against Mr. Weinstein already. We understand that just last week in New York, 3 people have come forward with a lawsuit accusing Harvey Weinstein of sexual assault. So this keeps coming really thick and fast as far as investigators are concerned. This is a movement in New York alone that's been going on since November. Of course, there are also separate investigations going on in Los Angeles as well as London. Now, the message, though, from Harvey Weinstein's defence team is that they once again and continue to reiterate that he's never engaged in any non-consensual sex. And one of these women that has accused Harvey Weinstein of sex, the defence have come out and said that, in fact, Harvey Weinstein was in a relationship with this woman for some 10 years.
Well, many thanks for that there, William.